This is Renee, and welcome back to my channel, Mommy for Five Griffins. As you can see, we have a lot to do today. We have the kitchen to clean up, countertops and dishes, and the stove top. I hate when it gets like this, but we're gonna work through it. Just walking through now and showing you the huge mess. Oh, then in the living room, oh, we got tons of laundry. Hello, kitty. We have to clean up the dining room. If you saw my last video from Ross, my Ross haul, those are some of the remnants from the haul that I need to finally put away. And into the living room. Oh, the rug looks so nice, but I do need to clean up the sofa area and the table, and to vacuum. As always, kitties are sleeping. Well, let's get started on this mess. over here on this wall, you'll see in the corner a chalkboard. I actually painted a chalkboard on the wall about 5 or 6 years ago. Well, last Christmas, my son um, made a display for Christmas saying, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." Well, I'm not able to get that off of there. So, if anybody has any suggestions on how to get the chalk pen removed so I can change the quote, I would really love the suggestions. Next to washing dishes, I think folding clothes and putting those away are my worst chore ever. Who else is with me? Oh my goodness. Folding clothes and putting them away is so much work. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes the basket sits there for at least 3 or 4 days before I even get to it. Um, Life is life. After folding clothes, I got a little sidetracked because my son must have come downstairs while I was folding laundry or putting it away, and he just crashed on the couch. He hasn't been feeling good. He's had tummy trouble he said he ate something bad at school, so poor baby. But yeah, my 12-year-old is a big baby when he's not feeling well, so I'm just going to let him rest and cut my cleaning short today because now it's time for mommy duty. I just hope he feels better. Send them prayers for me, loved ones. And as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Have a wonderful evening.